We have the ability to see life in any way we choose. If at some point something happened to you in such a way that the beauty is no longer visible, know today that you are in the right place. With a little bit of childlike wonder and grown-up concepts, you get to build the skills that will develop the senses to experience life in a way that lights you up from the inside out. One thing remains. The human experience is built to have all kinds of emotions and feelings that either take us closer to joy or drift us further away from it. We can have sadness, anger, excitement, boredom, disgust, and joy all rolled into one. These traits help us to blossom and grow into magnificent humans with a keen drive for whole human wellness in ourselves, even when the outer world collides with our inner world. Knowing who we are and how to cope with all these characters that keep on developing and the things that happen to us, no matter how hard we try to get to a relaxed state. Through mindful practices, we get to understand how these things are triggered and how to better help ourselves out of situations. Creative play is really one of the best ways to get your mind unstuck. Instead of rolling thoughts in your subconscious mind, little practices like these bring unwanted emotions forward so that we can deal with them and wipe them out of our lives as we blossom and grow. From that very first moment you experience that thing called joy, up to the point you are in now. If there aren't regular moments in your life where you feel joy and that inner kindness, wrapped in peace with compassion for yourself, then you really need to slow down a little bit and make time for your left and right brain to be in balance. And every now and then we get to create something that is extraordinarily beautiful, even if it is only to ourselves. Drawing, writing, testing out art supplies, anything you can think of can become a mindful practice that builds your creativity. Designing a life that you love isn't just about creating pretty pictures in a book. It is discovering yourself, knowing yourself, and figuring out how to live better. I'm an art therapist, a Reiki master, and a creative who has every human heart at the forefront of developing the skills and abilities to be their best selves. I would love nothing more than to see you blossom and grow. And just admiring nature. Being with yourself for your pleasure goals isn't going to take away a lot of time. It will give you back your own peace of mind as you make time for little practices that really help you to stay focused, become more mindful, and also know where you want to go next. You also don't have to have all the drawing skills in the world. I share so many videos with you that help you become creative, inspired, and also master any of the skills you've been setting out to maybe discover for the first time, or to hone in a little bit closer. Mindfulness and pleasure goals go hand in hand as we make time for ourselves and put down the heavy burdens of life for just a moment to enjoy something that we want to enjoy. You'll soon discover that your conscious awareness of things in this world will also adjust as it all unfolds for you, unfolding into the newer version where you get to bloom and show the world your fruits. Perfectly imperfect. There's so much creativity within each of us that would make anyone's heart sing. Having the ability to do what makes you happy in small moments, maybe 10 minutes here and a half an hour there. Every minute will help you fall in love with what you are creating and a little bit more and more with your life. Having a dedicated space to go to and a group of mindful friends is something that's available to you. And always remember that you deserve time to yourself. This is your life after all. It's a journey where you discover what you like and how you're going to approach each of the aspects that might be hindering you from moving beyond what you already do. Wherever you are, wherever you're living, and whatever you're experiencing, know this, that flowers do not compete with each other. They just exist and thrive together.